Hi, my name is Jonathan Vallejo. I am the video software specialist for this project. I currently live in State College, Pennsylvania with my girlfriend. I am working towards a bachelor's in IST with a focus in security and risk analysis, and I hope to one day work in the IT security prevention and analysis industry.
Hi, my name is Karina Mark, and I am the Verbal Communication Specialist. I am currently a full-time student, but do freelance web design on the side as well as small business consulting. I am pursuing my bachelor's in IST at Penn State and will be graduating this fall. I'll then be pursuing a career in software development.
Hey, my name is Richard DiCristino. I'm 26 years old. I work for Miles Technologies, an IT company that builds custom business software, websites, and IT solutions. I am also a software support specialist here that's on track to becoming a software developer. I also do side work on web development. I have two younger siblings, a sister and a brother, and I am currently on track to buying a house with my girlfriend in 5 years.
Hello, my name is Patrick Tedessa, and I'm one of the key researchers for this project. I'm currently a part-time server at Cheesecake Factory, and I reside in Germantown, Maryland. I'm aiming to achieve a bachelor's in information science and technology, as well as looking to get a minor in security risk and analysis.
Hello, my name is William Leonard, although I go by my middle name Zach. I'm acting as project manager for this project. I currently live about 10 miles north of Pittsburgh, and I work full-time as a business intelligence analyst. Currently, I'm pursuing the BS in SRA, although I did graduate previously from Penn State 2008 with a BA in history. I hope you all enjoy our project.
Effective verbal communication. Strategies for effective verbal communication. Verbal communication. Verbal communication refers to the use of sounds and language to relay a message. It serves as a vehicle for expressing desires, ideas, and concepts, and is vital to the processes of learning and teaching. Today, I'll be discussing 3 strategies for effective verbal communication. They are listening, use of nonverbal communication, and getting to the point. Listening. Effective communication involves more than just presenting messages clearly. It also involves doing a good job of comprehending others. Although most of us take listening for granted, effective listening is a very important skill. Be non-judgmental while taking in information from others. Acknowledge speakers in ways that encourage them to keep speaking. Attempt to advance the speaker's ideas to the next step. Use of nonverbal communication. Effective communication requires consistency. Nonverbal communication must reflect the verbal message. This includes facial expressions, body language, gestures, eye contact, posture, and tone. If your nonverbal actions do not match what you are communicating verbally, it can discredit your words and make you appear ingenuine. Be aware of your actions and use them to your advantage. Get to the point. Show value for people's time by being as concise as possible when giving information. Do not give lengthy, unnecessary details. Give important and relevant information only.
The topic that I researched was on written communication. This is a way to be able to communicate with your intended audience through the use of written language so as to get your message across. This can be done through several methods such as emails, reports, letters, memos, etc. This type of communication comes with several types of advantages. For example, a person will have the capability of revising and editing documents before sending them out. Or if there was a situation where proof was needed by management for an internal audit, you can have record proof of your communication. This also allows for recipients to review the documents sent and take the adequate amount of time needed to develop a proper response. On the other hand, there are some disadvantages to this form of communication, such as a lack of face-to-face interaction, which can result in a delayed response to the sender. This can then lead to a problem if the sender is looking for a quick response. Or take a person who lacks proper writing skills, which can turn into his or her work being misinterpreted by the recipient. Timing can also be an issue since written messages require more time to create, which can result in a delay for sending out any forms or possible contracts.
Communication tools. The applications used to communicate and coordinate. The first topic application I'm going to cover is Slack. Slack starts off with several different commands, functions for reminders, timers, group channels, feeds, etc. It also has a slew of integrations with other programs like Gel or to do collaborative work. It has multiple channels for different topics and users, and the default channels are public, but the private channels are direct usually. It needs paid licenses for anything over 10 people, so it's not really great for businesses unless they see it as a huge help. The next topic I'm going to cover is Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts starts off with an instant messenger interface, can be used for video and audio as well, can be fairly straightforward, and can be integrated company-wide for no excess cost if you already use Google as your mail servers and so on. The only issue I would say with it is the fact that it's not so user-friendly if you want to do certain other things or for file transfers. Next we have Skype. Skype is mainly used in voice and video conferencing across the world. It has credits for international calling cross-platform, but if you're, by cross-platform I mean like phone to phones and other things. But it has its own texting and chat function, as well as call features that are free from Skype to Skype. Finally, we have Gel. Gel is a platform to mainly share a daily planner and project stages for completion. It keeps you guys on track and allows teams to collaborate very well. It also shows where everybody is at and keeps you online by telling you what was done yesterday, what's being done today, and what your challenges are for the day to get the actual stuff done so that everybody knows what's going on. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my slides. Thank you.